How to add links to footer in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now this is going to be one method out of, I believe, many that you can actually use in order to add some links in your footer, but I'm going to show you this method because for me it's the easiest to manage. And basically all we need to do here is, or what we're actually going to be doing is adding some sort of links in here to really anything. To pages, to websites, to different URLs. It doesn't really make a difference. We can do so in here. So it is actually very simple. The first step is just go ahead and go to your online store admin, your Shopify admin. And then from here, all you need to do is just go to navigation. And from navigation, we have the footer menu and we also have the main menu. And all we need to do is just go ahead and click on add menu. So in here, we would want to create a new menu and we can just go ahead and name it whatever you want. So we can name it something like links. Sure. So in this case, we can just go ahead and name it links and we can start adding our links to it. So we can just go ahead and click on add menu item to begin with the first one. And we can just go ahead and do whatever we want in here. So for example, we wanted to link to our social media. So we can do, for example, Instagram. In that case, you would want to obviously enter your URL to your Instagram account. I'm just going to do instagram.com and just go ahead and click on it and click on add. And now this is pretty much added here for us. We can also add another item here. Let's just say google.com. And again, you would want to just go ahead and go for google.com. Let's just remove the .com from here. Now you will need to actually click on the link once it actually shows up, otherwise it's not going to save for some reason. So just go and click on it and then click on add. And again, like I said previously, if you want to also add a page to it, you can also do so. For example, here, let's just take us to the contact page. Hopefully I do have one for this site. And we can just go to pages, contact, and click on add. For the time being, I'm good to go. If you want to add a drop down, you can also do so like that. Just drag and drop it underneath, and it's just going to be a drop down. But in my case, they're just going to be like that. And click on save menu. Once that's done and you added as many links as you actually want, we just want to go back to our online store, go to themes, click on customize, and we basically want to scroll down until we see the footer, just so we can see the preview. And then from the footer section here, you just want to click on add section. And then, you don't want to click on add section. You want to make sure you, show the ad block underneath the footer with this arrow. Click on ad block beneath the footer, click on menu. And then you just want to click on that and make sure you change the menu to the new one, which is the links one. I just named it links, so it's going to be like that. And now we're pretty much set. So whenever someone clicks on that, it's just going to open up google.com for them. I did, it did not actually do .com here. It's not a dot. And anyways, and here obviously Instagram same goes for that. And if they click on contact, it's just going to take them to that page as well. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.